Greetings, fellow Excel enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today's video is all about making Excel easier for you. We'll be demystifying range calculation and uncovering the power of finding conditional ranges. Whether you're new to Excel or looking to expand your skills, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and learn how to work with ranges effortlessly. First things first, what is a range? In Excel, a range is simply the difference between the lowest and highest values within a dataset. To calculate the range, we'll be using the powerful functions min and max. Allow us to guide you through the process. Ready to crunch some numbers? Open your Excel spreadsheet and locate the set of numbers you want to work with, entered in cells A1 through A5. Now, in cell A6, type the formula max open parentheses, select the cell range followed by close parentheses, -min, open parentheses, select the cell range followed by close parentheses. This formula finds the maximum value in the data, using max, and the minimum value, using min. By subtracting the minimum from the maximum, you'll get the range. Press Enter to unveil the results. It's that simple. But wait, there's more. Excel's versatility allows you to find conditional ranges too. Want to include only values greater than 500? We've got a formula for that. In cell A7, type max open parentheses, select the cell range followed by close parentheses, min ifs open parentheses, select the cell range, comma, cell range, comma, greater than 500 in quotations ending in close parentheses. The first part of the formula finds the maximum value, while the second part searches for values greater than 500 using min-ifs. Once again, subtract them to get the conditional range. Press Enter to see the results. Excel does the magic for you. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the secrets of range calculation and conditional ranges in Excel. We hope this newfound knowledge simplifies your data analysis and brings newfound confidence to your Excel adventures. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell button to be the first to access our latest Excel tips and tricks. Have other Excel challenges you'd like us to tackle? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy Excel crunching.